What's up, guys? Welcome back to JoJoButter. My name is Joe, and today I'm gonna show y'all my summer curly hair routine for 2018. This method is one that I actually created myself, so naturally, it's gotta be pretty good. So the thing about summertime for people with curly hair is we get a lot of frizz, but I'm here to tell you to work with that frizz. The difference between my curly hair routine for summer and a lot of other people is that they try and get nice, tight, defined curls and coils that will stay in shape and not frizz up at all. But I'm here to tell you that that looks like you just got your hair done, and it doesn't look natural. I'm all about natural curls and making your hair look really nice. So I say go with the fro for summer 18. And I'm gonna show you guys a method to achieve a nice minimal frizz fro with a lot of curl definition. Let's hop into this. So today I'm gonna be using Shea Moisture, red palm oil, and cocoa butter. Right now I have their reshaping shine butter and I have their curl stretch pudding. So I already washed and conditioned my hair. I'm working with really clean hair. So I'm gonna take a section of the front of my hair out. We're gonna wet it up and we're gonna apply these products. Let's go. So you see what I'm saying about the ponytail? This really holds everything in place and allows you to work section by section. So I'm gonna start off with applying some water. All right, I'm gonna detangle that a little bit. And then we're gonna add this curl stretch pudding. All right. Now, one thing that's gonna take this the extra mile, look at that. Holy shit. Wow. So one thing that's gonna take this the extra mile is this shine butter. This is pretty much like using an oil to seal in the moisture on your hair. This is gonna give it a lot of shine. It's also gonna keep the moisture in your hair for a while. It's pretty gritty, but that's cocoa butter for you. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that and apply it over my hair as well. If your coils aren't coming out smooth, just go through with a comb before and you will be all set. That way all the frizz entanglements will get unknotted.
That much is a little too much.
Look at that, yo. Look at that. This Shea Moisture is doing some magic. Making sure that your hair is detangled is essential so that you can get some nice curls. Because if it's tangled up, you're gonna have knots all on the side of your finger coils, which is just gonna look atrocious. All right, so that's the front so far. That's exactly how I wanted it. All right, this gives us a good base. Now we know the front of our hair is gonna be popping. We can do a second row. We can even do up the sides, and that's what I usually do. So right now, what you could do is wet the rest of your hair, comb the product through, and as you've seen when I was straightening it out with my hand, the natural curls came into form. So you could do that and have that hold up and then start to pick your hair out. But I definitely want a lot more definition in my hair, especially because it's summer, and if you're rocking a curly fro, then you want some good curls. So I'm gonna go up the sides of my head, and then I might even do a second row, and then I'll show y'all how to do the rest. Now we're gonna get that butter and rub some of that over. Start with the wide end. Just give it a good raking through. Then go to the fine end. And let's see how this turns out. Okay, I mean, you see, naturalness. Let's go. All right, you're gonna keep doing that through the rest of your hair. Let's do this. Be completely honest, I've never been like a huge fan of Shea Moisture just because I tried their coconut curl and hibiscus line. Everyone recommends it, and it just didn't do much for my hair. It actually really made it dry as hell. But this line right here, this line right here, I mean, look. All right, so I finished curling my hair up just using a comb. And yes, there's some white buildup in there, but that's all gonna go away once it dries. So now that my hair is curly, just like any other curly hair routine, right now what we want this to do is dry and set into place. But what's different about mine is that when I'm drying mine, I'm gonna let it dry up. So I'm gonna put it up in a little bit of a ponytail, a little high top. That way when it dries, the curls dry and they're already extended. They're already long, and all we'll have to do is use a pick to puff it out, and we will be set for that fro. All right, so as you see, the hair is pulled back. This is gonna give it a lot of time to really stretch out and a lot of time to curl up. So we're just gonna let this dry up until the white residue is gone and the hair is dry, probably about 20 minutes if you're air drying and about 10 minutes if you're using a diffuser. So I will be back once this is done. Okay, so my hair is definitely not all the way dry, but I'm running late for work. So we're gonna have to make this work. And I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do after we take it off this high top. So I did put a blow dryer on my hair for a little bit, just around the ends to let it dry up a little bit more, and on the top. Now the middle, I'm guessing, is still probably pretty wet, but again, we're gonna have to make that work. So I'm gonna grab me a pick and I'm about to show y'all what we're gonna do. All right, now that I got this pick, I'm gonna take my hair out. So what you're gonna wanna do is give your hair a good shake, let it loosen up a bit. Woo. Then we're gonna grab this pick and go to work. Just wanna make sure that you're pulling it up a couple inches at a time. Definitely don't want to disturb the curl pattern, so you don't want to pull all the way through, just till it gives you some tension, then release and find a new spot. Sometimes I like to put my hair down and go through as well. Right. Okay, we're coming into form a little bit. You might want to separate a little bit of those finger coils. So like this, if you do see a finger coil that looks a little ratty after, you can definitely just twist it back and it should snap right back into place. Woo! Okay. Good turnout. Now, what I would recommend, I'm running late for work, so I gotta go. But I'd recommend you diffuse it a little bit more, blow dry it, let it air dry a little bit, and continue to pick every 20 minutes. This way you're gonna get a lot of volume and still maintain these nice, good, shining curls and this definition. That was a fun demonstration. And one last time, I just wanted to give a shout out to Shea Moisture. They actually didn't even sponsor me for this. I went out and bought these products myself, but this line is poppin': red palm oil and cocoa butter. Really good for stretching the hair. I used the Curl Stretch Pudding and the Reshaping Shine Butter. Both of those products gave me these results. And now we about to go to work. So thank y'all for watching my summer curly hair routine for 2018. Please make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share so you can help someone else. Comment and engage. Let me know what's going on in your hair life or how I could help you. And I will catch y'all next time at JoJoButter. We out.